Hey guys, and welcome to this live stream where we are going to talk about axonometric projections in interior design drawing, and I'll be showing you here my axonometric drawings which I did on iPad in Procreate. But actually you can accomplish these drawings, of course, in any media and technique that you currently use. So let me rotate my camera and we'll jump right into this live stream. So I will be fixing my camera now. Hi everybody, hi Runam. Alright, I hope you can see everything. So, the very basics of axonometric projection I explained in this post on my Instagram. Xin chào, hi. Let me show the screen. So probably you have seen this post. If you haven't seen it or haven't read it yet, I highly recommend you to read about it, because there I explain you some basic concepts of axonometric projection. I show you 3 different examples. It's all about, like, long story short, it's all about angle of rotation, angle of inclines. And this lesson, it is like full-time lesson. It is available in my membership platform in the club. So it's a 10-minute tutorial where step by step I show you how to create an axonometric projection. So these are some basic things that I'm sharing with you, and today I'll put more attention into my latest tutorial, which I recently created for the club members, and it's all about projection view of a chair. So we proceed starting from very simple objects, and we continue with more complicated forms. So we started with boxes, so it's the simplest thing to start with a box of projection to understand it, and then we with this knowledge can draw a chair, a simple chair, any boxes, and the next step, of course, will be an interior. So let me check if I can show you a quick video. Yes, so this is a process of how I created this sketch. Hi Lisa, hi Charles, hi everybody. So this is a time-lapsed video on iPad in Procreate, but of course you can do this exercise by simply using pen and a paper, some regular basic materials. So at the very end, some shadows. All right, so let me go back to this screen. And please let me know in the comments if you struggle with perspective drawing or with axonometric drawing. And let me quickly show you a couple of new sketches that I did recently. I can show you time lapse of how I created this particular drawing. So please remember that in interior design sketching, the most important thing is, of course, to master not only the technique, but also to master perspective drawing. It is so important. For example, this sketch I accomplished by using one-point perspective or frontal view perspective. So it's one of the two most basic types of perspective. If you want to train your hand, I prepared for you a free tutorial. This one is available on my YouTube School of Sketching. So this is kind of a challenge. Maybe you heard about this challenge. It's Draw This in Your Style challenge. It's very, very popular among fashion illustrators in general. And this time I decided to apply it for interior design drawing. So please go to my YouTube School of Sketching and check this step-by-step full-length tutorial. And let me show you its time-lapse replay. So hi OJB, Imar, hi Charles, hi Kent, hi everybody. So this interior as well, it is made by using frontal perspective, 1-point perspective, one of the most basic ones. Of course, the second most important type of perspective is, as you can guess, a 2-point perspective where we have two vanishing points. So I find that very often people overcomplicate the concept of perspective drawing. It's not that hard actually. It's really, really exciting, and I find that it's so much fun. Once you mastered some basics, you can create really amazing interior drawings. And if you don't know yet, I have a free, completely free online challenge. It's like an online short course, which you can find in my bio. Direct link to it you'll find in my bio. And in this free online course, I share with you secrets in the very basics of 1- and 2-point perspective. So if you will be watching this on YouTube, I'll put the link below in the description. If you're watching this live stream with me right now, live, you can simply click direct link in my bio now. All right, so let me rotate my camera right now. And hi guys, and tell you a little bit more about my online membership platform, where these tutorials on interior design drawing and Oxonometric drawing, which I covered at the very beginning of this live stream, are already available. So today I uploaded this new lesson, which is all about Oxonometric view of a chair. Let me show you quickly the process of it. So it's a 10-minute tutorial. You can find it by subscribing to my online membership platform. I call it the club. So you simply go to schoolofsketching.com and you'll find all the information about the club there. This is an online membership where I post unique content every month for the members, and of course the content is all about interior design drawing, interior design sketching. I share with you different techniques like markers, like watercolor, and of course iPad drawing in Procreate. So if you want to take your interior sketching practice to the new level, or even if you're a complete beginner in sketching and you want to master it to perform better in interior design in your profession, you are very, very welcome. There are already dozens of designers who already enrolled in this in my online membership platform, the club. Hi Ogi, hi Nafid. Alright, my dear creatives, I think that's it for this live stream. I will save it and I can't wait to see you in my next one. So step 1, check out my free perspective challenge online video course. Click the direct link in my bio. Step 2, subscribe to my YouTube channel and do this free challenge on drawing an interior in one-point perspective. And step 3, of course, visit my website and learn more about the club, about my membership platform. So thank you so much for joining today's live stream, and take care. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye for now.